Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bitcoin Trapper. I'm here today to give you guys some news on Bitcoin and crypto digital asset. So, in my previous video, I talked about trying out Shakepay, and I just want to give you guys a quick overview of what it looks like. I just signed up for it. I didn't do any transaction or anything like that. I just want to show you guys what's going on with Shakepay. So it's pretty simple. It looks like to use. You got your wallet, funds, buy, sell, send, profile, help, and your logout button. So in the wallet page, it will show you what you have in your wallet. I don't have anything in my wallet. Transaction history. You got to be verified to use Shakepay, so that's pretty cool. Bitcoin is more fun with friends. Introduce a friend to Shakepay and you will send you each. Okay, so it's like a referral. It is a referral program. You just send this invite link to one of your friends, and when they sign up and stuff for Shakepay, you both get $10 each. So that's pretty cool. On the add funds, you can add funds in 4 different ways. I'm pretty sure they're gonna have more in the future. So that's pretty dope. Interact, e-transfer, EFT, and wire transfer, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm always trying to add funds with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I usually use Ethereum because it's faster than Bitcoin. Bitcoin takes long to transfer, and sometimes I don't want to wait that long. But it's pretty cool. They're gonna come with obviously XRP and probably a couple stable coins later on, and so on and so forth. And the buy and sell, how much money you want to buy, I haven't used it, so I'm not sure how exactly how it would work, but that's pretty cool. And so on and so forth with Shakepay. So that's pretty cool. Don't forget to check out the Shakepay website. I'm gonna leave a link in the description for that. So the price for Bitcoin right now is 15,358. Let's refresh that, see what it's at. 15,410. Dope. So today, Singularitydao that I talked about in my previous video came out with a new website and some more information on their Singularitydao by Singularitydao. So smart liquidity across the crypto universe. AI DeFi. That's pretty dope. I was thinking about something like, well, not exactly like this, but how AI could help decentralized finance. So what is Singularitydao? Singularitydao is a unique layer 2 non-custodian DeFi solution configured as a DAO that is completely decentralized and democratically governed. It allows members to create and trade ETF like dynamic tokens, set that bundle utility tokens, include tokens with only moderate liquidity, and then enables a yield farming and futures based hedging ecosystem on top of these token sets. So that's pretty dope. I'm gonna leave a link, you guys can check this out. I think this is pretty dope. Like I said, this just came out, so there's not a lot of information on it, but if you want to know what's going on and you want to get the latest information, definitely go through this if it interests you and read up on them. So the daily huddle. Square Bitcoin sales hit a record of 1.63 trillion. Or is that billion? That's a billion? In Q3, outstripping new supplies of BTC. Oh, wow, that's pretty dope. 1.6 billion. That's huge. That is huge. Wow. So you can see Square is doing some big things. The demand for Bitcoin is crazy. I think the demand for Bitcoin is crazy, especially in the US, because they weren't able to buy for so long and they've been missing out on so many gains. When I think the US market opens, man, well, it's starting to open with Square and these other platforms, Square and what's it called? don't even know. What's his name? Not Telegram. What am I gonna say? Oh man, the other platforms. PayPal, online payment solution. Square says its popular payment platform Cash App sold 1.63 billion worth of Bitcoin in the third quarter of 2020. The amount of Bitcoin sold throughout the app equivalent to about 110 Bitcoin BTC at time of publishing, which is significantly more than the other of the amount of Bitcoin mined in the same time frame. That is, oh man, Square is putting in some work, man. There's a lot of trading on Square. That's great. Square made 32 million in gross profits on its Bitcoin sales, up 15 million in the second quarter of this year. Wow, that's some crazy numbers. Just in one quarter. One quarter is like 3 months. I'm curious to see the news about PayPal. That's crazy. Will the US push to ban Bitcoin? BTC bull Antonio Pompliano outlines risks facing leading cryptocurrency. Antonio Pompliano, co-founder of Morgan Greed Digital and outspoken Bitcoin bull, is addressing the possibility of the US government cracking down on Bitcoin and how exactly it could play out. So in an interview with David Lee, Pompliano said that if all government digitized their currency, it would in turn accelerate the adoption and normalization of digital wallet and put digital currency on the same playing field as cryptocurrency. Pompliano says that after everyone becomes comfortable with digital wallet, they will likely move towards Bitcoin and the idea of hard money tempting government to ban Bitcoin. Well, all these companies making so much money off Bitcoin, all that profit, Square and PayPal and all these other companies that's coming. I'm pretty sure Microsoft and Visa is doing something behind closed doors. And if they see so much profit and the US is making so much money off the tax, I wonder how that's gonna work, but we'll just have to see. Some other good news on CoinDesk today you guys could check out. I'll leave the link. Is the billionaire hedge fund investor Drunk Mel says he owns Bitcoin in CNBC. Okay. And the government conference no plans to pilot the CBC in China capital. Nobody knows what's really going on in China. China is in blockchain. They're not in blockchain. They're in blockchain. Nobody knows. China is doing whatever China wants to do, as usual. And there's a lot of other news about a vaccine. And you guys can check those out. Anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I'll see you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is not financial advice. It's your boy, Bitcoin Trapper. You already know.